Hello, kids. Welcome to Learn with Fun. Hello, kids. Let's learn some shapes. Heart, diamond, pentagon, hexagon, octagon. Let's learn some colors. Pink color, mint green color, orange color, brown color, forest green color, pink color, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, mint green color, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, orange color, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, brown color, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, forest green color, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, pink color heart, mint green color diamond, orange color pentagon, brown color hexagon, forest green color octagon. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. Subscribe.